Our adventures continued with a bus ride to the famous salt mines. From the bus stop, we had a short walk in. And oh my gosh, we passed the most stunning, beautiful river.
Like straight out of Switzerland, that glacier water was crystal clear and freezing cold, but absolutely gorgeous.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, "Where did you get that shirt?"
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.